last, she forced me to slap her.
On October 1st, 2023, officers were dispatched in response to an injured pregnant woman. She reported that she was playing a mobile game with a male friend when her husband found out and began slapping and choking her. He even threatened to kill her if she weren't pregnant. Here's what he told the officers.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, I'm Officer Wu. How you
You
doing?
want to take a seat real quick? Yeah. We'll stay. Just take a seat. Oh, no, it's fine.
Yeah, you see?
Yes,
Take
we
a
see.
seat.
Thank you.
So we talked to your wife, and she had some concerns. There was an altercation last night.
Yeah, a little bit right here.
Can you tell me about that altercation?
It was just some misunderstanding between us, some family issues, that's it.
Okay.
Nothing personal or something.
Can you tell me exactly what happened and how it began?
It began she made me slap her. I already said that I slapped her, yeah.
So you did slap her.
Yeah, I
Okay.
slapped her,
But what led up to that?
she hit me also.
She hit you also?
Yeah, she hit me also, so I was coming from outside, working. I work really hard for her.
Mhm.
So I can run my family, I can feed her, I can leave her like a good place, you know. When I came home, the thing I don't like is cheating. I don't like it. When your
Cheating?
husband...
You said cheating?
Yeah, I
Okay.
said cheating. When your husband working really hard for you, you are a woman and you are married to someone, you're supposed to not to chat or talk with somebody else. I don't like it. But when I caught her, she lied to me. I threw her phone away, the cell phone. After that, she made me do it every way she could make it. I was sleeping, I have pain in my teeth from last 3 days. I canceled my appointment to the doctor so I can take her to the doctor. So it's very expensive for the teeth, I came home early from the work. My boss gave me said, go home, take rest. When I came back home, I saw it. She talking. So I was yelling at her that why you do this? Why? I am doing everything I can do for you. Why are you doing this? After that, she was angry at me. Why I gave her why I'm yelling at her? Okay, fine, that's completely fine. After that, I said sorry to her. Let's go eat something because she was not eating from the morning. You are pregnant. You have to eat.
Yeah.
But she was angry at me. She don't want to eat anything. I said, okay. I made the food by myself. With this pain, I was doing this. Please eat something. She don't want to eat.
So you're trying to feed her?
Yeah. She don't want to eat. Okay. I left the food on the table. I said, whenever you feel good, you go and eat. I was sleeping on the bed with the pain. I took the pills 3 or 4 with the 250 mg. Advils. Still in the pain, so hardly I sleep. She woke me up. Go, grab your food right now. I don't want to eat, but you have to eat. I said, why? You are the mother of a child. You are not eating anything. I will not eat. She said, no, you eat first.
While speaking with the officers, the man confessed to his crimes.
Then when I was not going, she grabbed a bottle of water. She threw it in my bed so I cannot sleep. So I cannot lay down, on the wet bed. So I was standing. Still, I didn't say anything. Okay, I was standing. So I grabbed the what do you call, the pillow.
Right.
I grabbed the pillow so I can, lay over the floor.
Lay on the, okay.
Still, she said, you want me to grab another bottle and put it in the floor? I said, why? He said, you have to eat right now. Okay. Then I go, I grab the food, I eat, and then I told her, now I eat and you go eat now. She don't want to eat. Still, she don't want to eat. I said, okay. She went to the bathroom. When she came out from the bathroom, I take her to the table. Please, eat something. You gotta eat. You gotta feed my baby. You have to eat. Because you have problem with me, not with the baby. You gotta eat something. She was forcing me, throwing away. Then, what can I do? I said, you have to eat. Then, at last, she made me she forced me to slap her. That's all.
Why did she force you to slap her?
Because I was like telling her, I was like begging her, completely begging her, please eat something, please.
So listen, there's some more concerns we got, okay?
And before we talk to you about these concerns, all right, because we're conducting an investigation, Officer U is going to advise you Miranda rights, okay?
But I don't think. I mean, it's our family issue or something.
Right. But
I don't want to make any charge, or maybe she don't want to also.
Right, but we just can't talk to you any further till we do our job and with that, okay?
Okay. All right. You have the right to remain silent. All right.
Yes,
Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Are you willing to continue to talk to us?
No, I mean, I don't want to make any statement of charge against her or anything. It's gonna be all right. It's our family issues.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to us anymore?
Now, I want to talk with you. If you ask something,
Well, that's what Miranda rights is about. So
Right.
we're basically just saying that.
If you're willing to talk to us about what happened and answer our questions,
Oh no, that's all I said already. Everything I told you.
so you don't want to talk
You
any
don't wanna
further.
talk anymore.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So listen, so based on an investigation, okay? You go. Based on our investigation, okay? Because there's a lot more going on with her injuries, okay, and that she's pregnant,
Put your hands behind your back.
okay? You're going to be placed under arrest for domestic violence, okay? Please.
Last night.
Oh, you got it.
Last night.
Oh, you see it here.
Did she
You can have those.
charged against me?
Huh?
She charged against me or anything?
She doesn't have to charge against you. So in the state of Florida, right, it doesn't matter if the spouse, okay, or the wife wants to press charges, the state becomes the burden of the charge, okay? So anything that happens in an investigation where we see injury, okay, we have to determine on the evidence who is the aggressor, okay? Based on the evidence right now, the state gets the burden and you're the aggressor. That's why you're being placed under arrest, okay? You understand? Okay. Do you have a state ID on you by any chance? Okay. 49-611 in custody.
Ready to stand right here? All right. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. All right. I'm going to search you for weapons. You got any weapons or contraband or anything like that?
Nothing.
Okay. So I'm going to make sure you don't have anything on you. All right. I'm going to pull your wallet out, okay? All right. Here's your wallet. You just put it on top of the car. It's your phone?
Yes.
All right. You got anything else on you?
She's only by herself here.
We'll figure that out, sir.
All right, sir.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Sorry, it hurts my back. Can you make it in front? I mean,
The what?
This one in front. Can you
We
do
can't put it. We can't do that.
it? I'm hurting, sir. I'm really.
What do you mean? How are you
My
hurt?
hand is hurt.
It's too tight.
Yes. I'm never used to like this one.
It can't be too tight. It's not tight. There's room.
Is my wife coming with me?
We'll take care of her. All right. This is your ID, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The man was charged with aggravated battery on a pregnant person. Here's another case that you'd love to watch.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Let me talk to him. Okay.
On July 11th, 2023, officers located a vehicle they suspected to be stolen. They immediately contacted the driver, but the situation quickly escalated.
All right, so when did you exactly get this car?
My buddy let me use this.
Okay, who's your buddy?
My buddy from Chicago, man.
Okay, what's his name?
Jose.
A month ago?
A couple hours ago.
A couple hours ago. Okay. Where? Okay. All right. Go ahead and stand up. This car is stolen right now, all right? So you're under arrest right now. Do not tense up on me. Relax. Relax.
Stop, man. Stop.
Hold on.
No. Stop.
Hold on, man. Hold
Do
on.
not resist.
Just hold on, man. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me talk to my girl. Let me talk to my girl real quick, man. Let me talk to my girl. Please, let me talk to my girl, man.
Girl, stop resisting.
Let me go and get your taste.
Suddenly, one of the officers noticed the woman trying to escape.
Hey, get out of the car right now.
Okay.
Get out of the car.
Okay.
Get out of the car.
Okay, I just want to talk to him. Let me talk to him.
Get out of the car.
Let me talk to him. Okay, let me talk to him. No, okay, let me talk to him. Please, let me talk to him. Let me talk to him, please. Let me talk to him. Okay.
Don't
Okay,
make
please,
me.
let me talk
Do
to
not
him.
make me.
No, okay.
Stand up.
Let me talk to him, please. Please, let me talk to him for 1 second, please. Let me just talk to him. Please, let me just talk to him, please. Please, 1 second. Let me talk to him, please.
Do not.
Please, let me talk to him. That's my fiancé. I'm pregnant, please. I'm pregnant.
Come on, man.
Please.
Listen,
Stop.
What's happening? What's happening?
man.
What's happening? What's happening?
Over here. Where are you going?
Okay, I'm pregnant. Can I just
Turn
talk
around.
to
Just
him?
turn around.
Can I talk to him 1 second, please? Please, let me talk to him 1 second. Please, let me talk to him 1 second, please. I love you, Chino.
I just want to talk to my girl, man.
We'll let you talk. Relax. There's no reason to fight us.
But what is going on? What is going on? I just wanted to talk to him. That's it.
Is that why you ran in the car and locked the door?
No, I wasn't trying to lock the
okay.
doors. No, I wasn't trying to lock the doors. I wasn't. I promise I wasn't trying to lock the doors.
Stand up.
I wasn't trying to lock the doors. Please. I wasn't trying to lock the doors. Please. Why am I being under arrest here?
I don't know what the fuck's going on, man. My buddy just let me use the car. You got the keys and everything, man.
We'll talk about that in a little bit. Yeah.
Man.
90 years, man. Slow it down. We got one in custody, the other females.
Come over
I
here.
wasn't trying to lock the doors.
Yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't. I was not trying to lock the doors. I was trying to sit down because my ankle hurts.
No, you weren't. I saw you. Stop lying to me.
I swear.
Get the car.
Stay
there.
I'm not trying to lock the door. Can I just talk to him 1 second, please? He's my fiancé.
I think that ship has sailed, so.
Oh, please, let me talk to him. He's my fiancé, please. No te amo. Please, can I just leave? Can I just talk to him 1 second,
Would you
please?
stop trying to pull away?
Please, 1 second, officer, please. Please, 1 second, officer, I'm pregnant, please. Please.
Alright, you can do search one more time, okay? This is imperative, okay?
Oh, no, let's not deny me, man. I'm trying to see my girl. I'm trying to talk to my girl, man.
Work on that, man. Well, you pull away like that, man, it just makes everything worse. Out your head. Put seatbelt on, okay? Everything's being recorded, alright?
The woman repeatedly stated that she was pregnant.
He's not out there anymore. He's in the car.
I played with
He's in the car.
Please, 1 second, please. Just 1 second.
He's not out there anymore.
1 second, please. I was trying to sit down.
Hold on. We'll have you sit in the car, okay?
Please,
I'm not gonna have you talk with him right now. You can talk with him later. There's nothing we can say right now. Just a little bit.
Stand up. Come on.
Please, let me okay. By the window, please. Please. Chino, te amo. Te amo, Chino, te amo. Please. Please, I'm pregnant. Let me just touch you. I didn't even know I was pregnant. Oh, this let me just touch you 1 second.
He's not there.
Please. Oh, please.
Sit in the car.
Please. Please.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car first.
Sit in the car.
All right. Okay, I will. Scoot your legs in, and I'll take care of it. Okay. Scoot your legs in.
Scoot your legs
I'm
in the
only
car.
going to tell you this one more time. Just scoot your legs in.
I love you, Chino.
He can't hear you.